we need to download the QGIS software and install it to our computers. As I said earlier, now QGIS is an open source software, so you will be able to download it directly without any payments. Once you get downloaded, you will be able to install into your computers. Now we will see initial steps of getting download the software. In fact, you need to go into the QGIS website. If you can't remember the name exactly, it's a matter of searching QGIS in the Google platform. Then you will see QGIS website here. Welcome to the QGIS project. Click the QGIS website, then it go to the QGIS website. There you would be able to see two different buttons. One is to download the software. The other one is to support the QGIS. Why it is support to the QGIS here? Now, if you want to donate money, you will be able to donate money to the QGIS software developers, because this is a team effort by and community development. That means that there is no any particular ownership, but many people contribute to development of the software by means of money or technical capacity. Okay, at this moment, we are going to download the software. We have to click the download now button. Now, also you could see the versions available right now, but this is recorded in September 2022, but as it goes, if you watch this video in maybe few months later, you will see some other version is available in the actual context. That is because that the particular software is always evolving and new features are adding. Once the new features are adding, new versions are coming out. Click download now. Once you do that, you will go to the web page like this, where different options are available, either to download the software or any other application, what is necessary for us. Now, the software download is again depend on the operating system of your computer. Basically, it may be a Windows computer operating system that you are having, Mac operating system, or any other like Linux. So based on the operating system in the computer, we have to carefully select the most appropriate software to install into our computer. As example, if we download the Mac operating system while we are having a Windows, it will not work. Or it may be even the other side as well. If you have the MacBook or Mac operating system, where you have to download the relevant software which is run on the Mac operating system rather than working in the Windows. Since right now I am using a Mac operating system, it automatically opens the relevant window to me. There you can see there are several options again we have. Here it says latest release. Within bracket it says richest on features. The other one, long-term release. Within bracket it says more stable. So what is recommended right now to you is download the long-term release one. That is because although this is the latest release, but this may be not stable as the long-term release, because in the latest release, new features would have added, and these features have not yet experimented properly and fixed the issues. So there may be issues as you work on. Anyway, at this training, since we are using the basic functions of the QGIS, so long-term release would be enough for us to work on, and it's most stable as well. So you will be able to work without any issues. So once you click here, you will be able to download the relevant software. Once you download as similar to any other software, you will be able to get the directions which are popping up as windows and follow the software installation process. Now, importantly, if you have a Mac operating system, something important for you is now you have to understand the operating system that you are having. If it is a latest operating system, there won't be an issue. It will install this particular version without any problem. But if it is the kind of a very older version then of operating system, then you have to carefully read these messages, and also you may have to install an earlier version, or you have to additionally install some other platform as mentioned here. Now going to the download the Windows section. Once you click it, you will be able to see relevant options here. Most of you would have the Windows operating systems in your computer. Then you have to download again, as discussed earlier, the long-term release option. An important thing here is mentioned, you will need Windows 8 64-bit or higher to install this particular version. Now, in your computer, you have to check whether it is a 64-bit or 32-bit. If it is 64-bit and Windows 8 or up, there won't be any issue that you will be able to install this version. In case if you are using a 32-bit or lesser Windows operating system, then you have to use a previous version rather than this version to get the QGIS software. The QGIS software previous release that you have to use if you are using some other features less than this level. So actually, when you go to your computer, from the computer operating system, the features you will be able to visualize and see whether it's a 32-bit or 64-bit. But anyway, most of the newer coming laptops and computers would have 64-bit operating systems. So again here, you have to download the relevant software that is long-term release, more stable version of the software. And once you download, go through the installation process, then you will have several pop-up windows with asking different questions and ask for the direction of it. So you will be able to very simply understand those instructions and the questions that ask it from the software installation process, and you will be able to install. Right. Thank you.